something like a chameleon at the party. Tryna be everyone's type. Look what I started. Writing all of these love songs for somebody else. Posting all of these pictures so downhearted. I lost myself 1,000.
You're really my person, my other half. Started with a message, now you all on my mind. Didn't see it coming, now I'm yours all the time. From a screen to your arms, how we get here so fast. Now I'm praying every moment that this feeling gon' last. You give me, don't gotta explain it. Same sign, same mind, you ain't gotta fake it. I be acting crazy, you still don't mind. You be matching energy, yeah, you my one. I'm your evil twin, yeah, you know what it is. Chrissy on your side, I ain't loving like this. Two Virgos, same vibe, we be locked in deep. You don't just love me, boy, you understand me. I don't gotta hide, I can be myself. You see every side and you stay right here. Out of everybody, you the one I keep. Yeah, you my husband, you my peace. You don't trip when I'm in my moods. You just pull me closer like you got nothing to prove. Every flaw I got, you don't try to change. You just love me through it, never switch or rearrange. You my mirror, you my balance. Little toxic, but it's passion. Ain't nobody ever loved me like you do. That's why I stay stuck to you. I'm your evil twin, yeah, you know what it is. Chrissy on your side, I ain't loving like this. Two Virgos, same vibe, we be locked in deep. You don't just love me, boy, you understand me. I don't gotta hide, I can be myself. You see every side and you stay right here. Out of everybody, you the one I keep. Yeah, you my husband, you my peace. If I never said hi, would you still be mine? Crazy how forever started online. Now I'm looking at you like, yeah, that's my man. I choose you over and over again, yeah. You're really my person, my soulmate. You're really my person, my other half.
Love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a wig review, honey. It's been a minute, okay? Like, it's been a minute. Your girl been rocking braids, okay? It's just easier for me in this mom life, mom time, mom situations. It's just easy for me to wear braids. So I have been rocking braids, but honey, I had to come through with the come through because it is Rpgshow's 20th anniversary, and baby, I couldn't miss it. I couldn't miss it. But anyways, if you guys are interested in all the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all. So as I stated, this unit was sent to me by Rpgshow, and at the beginning of the video, or maybe at the end, I think I'm gonna do it at the beginning. I will be showing you guys different looks, different times I've worn Rpgshow wigs, because baby, they always come through. They always eating, okay? They always eating. How they do it? Okay, they always come through with the look. So yeah, hopefully you guys saw that. But anyways, this particular wig, it says, I'm not going to read you guys the order number, but I will have everything listed on the side so you guys can see. The texture, it says silky, but if you guys know, with Rpgshow, that silky is not like that Barbie doll silky, baby. It's like a good mixture of silky and yucky. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not silky like you think, okay? But it does make it very lightweight. Now the length that I have is 20 inches. They have on here the hair color is like the picture. I do have a cap size 1. You can get cap size 1 or 2. The 1 is for the smaller heads, and baby, the 2 is for the guada heads. Okay, baby, ain't nothing wrong with a guada head. Okay, I promise you, the guada head, sis, when y'all shave y'all hair, it looks better than the pea head chicks. Okay. Anyways, the fit is it says Fit-Lock 13x6 Drawstring Wig, 200% density, and it says tinted transparent Swiss lace in light brown. So those are all the details and specs with this wig. Now it is I go for the Lagos hairline. Okay, you cannot tell your girl that she's not a Nigerian. Okay, I did my ancestry DNA and I am 30% Nigerian. Okay, so I just love the Lagos hairline. I'm being funny, but in general, I love the Lagos hairline because I just feel like it really fits my hairline, which really goes out on the sides and kind of back in the front. And so to me, it makes it more realistic in my opinion. Like, that's why I like it. But it just depends on your hairline, because you can also get this wig not in the Lagos hairline. I didn't even know that was an option. But baby, they was like, what you want? What you want, girl? Do you want the Lagos hairline or you want it regular, smagular? Like, let us know. So whatever fits you, that's what you should get. I did decide to cut some layers in it just because that's me. I wanted to frame my face a little more. It does come with layers. You do not have to cut layers. This is a ready to go wig. And as you guys saw, I only put like glue on the sides, and that is just a Chrissy thing. I just put some glue on the sides, but this is a wig you can wear glueless. Like, I will say, in all honesty, when I'm probably going out and about in these streets, I probably won't add nothing. I probably won't add nothing. If I'm not wearing it like behind my ear or anything like that, then it's really not necessary. And I love that because I feel like it fits perfectly, especially with that drawstring. It just makes everything fit great. But baby, it's your wig. You do what you want to do. As far as shedding and tangling, I didn't notice any of the tings. You guys know that Rpgshow comes with the premium hair. Okay, so I didn't notice any of the things. Not to say at some point it won't, just right now it ain't. And I do feel like this wig is true to size, so get whatever size you wear. The hairline, like I said, is phenomenal. You guys could see that. And yeah, that is basically it for the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Now, I ain't gonna hold you, sis. I ain't got no cons. I don't have any cons when it comes to this wig. I feel like this wig is pure perfection in my opinion. I have no cons. Moving on. As far as the pros, for me, the hairline is a pro, and the fact that you can get the hairline however you want your hairline is also a pro in my opinion. I love the color. Whatever color this is given for me, and I feel like it's a safe color. I know I can get bold with the colors, but I know everybody is not into bold colors. So I love that this unit, to me, if you're trying to inch your way into colors, this your girl. Okay, so I love the color of the unit. I love the hairline. I love everything about it. Obviously, I would definitely recommend this wig. Like, I had no cons. Moving on. Y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". This is it on the right side. Anyways, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. If you are feeling it as much as I am, sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinion. Once again, shout out to you, Rpgshow, for coming through with the come through. You never freaking disappoint. Okay, baby? Thank you. And, yeah. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love ups next time. Bye.